So hey everyone, it's Bikram over here. I'm a current student enrolling in Kent Institute for my Bachelor of Information Technology. So it's part of our weekly tutorial submission for week 6 of software engineering. So today I'm gonna try to recall everything that I've been taught in the class while our lecturer is Catherine. So today in our class we studied our software process model. So today I'm gonna give a deep explanation about what is software process model, what are the softwares, what are the process, what are the common model process that we're gonna follow in order to make any kind of softwares, and what are the skill that I can upgrade from software engineering model that gonna help me to make more engineering project. So when it comes to definition, a software process model is a structured way of developing softwares that defines like steps, tasks, and activities to be followed during software development cycles. We all commonly known as SDLC, which is known as software development life cycles. So it acts as a blueprint or roadmap that guide how software is planned, designed, developed, tested, and maintained. So there are lots of common software development process model, like like agile method. Agile method is one of the most commonly and the easiest and flexible model that most of the people have been using nowadays in order to make proper softwares. And we have lots of other model like waterfall model, agile model. When it's come to waterfall model, it is very linear and step by step model, so it is not it is kind of inflexible. And most of the people, it is the oldest model as most of the people are not using is nowadays. And we got agile, I already told you, we got agile model, we got spiral model, and we got V model. So, so today I'm gonna explain like how software process model gonna help me in order to build my skill that gonna help me in order to work in any kind of projects. So by studying and analyzing this model, we'll have the understanding about the real world, how the real world works, how what are the softwares, what are the importance of models that we're gonna follow in order to develop any kind of software. So understand the real world workflows. We'll know how professional teams manage project, like like by using agile method. We only know that agile method is the easiest method that we're gonna use in order to make a develop in order to develop a softwares, but we don't know how does it work. So yeah, I did have lots of a bit knowledge about how agile gonna works and what are the things that I'm gonna use in my day-to-day life. So by studying and applying software engineering skill, I will be able to have more improving problem solving skill, like choosing the right model for a project is helps you to adapt different situation. It's one of the most important things. Gain teamwork skill, like as up to till that I haven't worked in any kind of project, but like if I work on the project, what are the skill that I need to be that I need to bring towards my team? What are the ideas I need to come up with my teams in order to develop any kind of softwares, like model like agile and Scrum emphasizes on communication, collaboration, and continuous improvement. That are the things that I need to learn. And we get learn project planning, process model that is being excluding requirements gathering, testing, and delivery. Yeah, and I try to explain how it can help me to upgrade my skills. So start small, like up to till that I haven't worked in any kind of project, but like if I need to start getting working towards my project, so practice with a small project, like using waterfall method or the agile models to build structured thinking, learn agile and scrum. At least I need to have basic information like how agile works, what are the things that I need to learn in order to develop that things. Most modern companies use agile, like online agile scrum courses, practice stand-ups, and backlog management. Yeah, these are the things, and we also thought about like how waterfall model works, like for the waterfall models, agile method is mainly important is spiral model. Like when it's come to spiral model, mix of waterfall and iteration approaches. Spiral model doesn't work as quickly and as easily as compared to agile method, but like it's one of the most important method to to works. Yeah, now let's talk about some. And she also explained about CMMI and CMM. So when it's come to basically CMM and CMMI is one of the most important things while you're studying our software development process. So CMM, which is known as Capability Maturity Model, is a framework that helps organization improve and refine their software development process. It offers a methodological approaches to evaluating the maturity and capability of an organization process. What is come to CMMI, it is a improve more through form of CMM. It is not, which is known as capability maturity model integration, or CMMI. It combines the various concepts of best practice into single framework for system engineering, project management, software development, and other organizational producers. So when it's come to basically differentiate CMM and CMMI, we can on a CMM focus mainly on software process maturity, while CMMI is a broader integrated model that applies to the whole organization. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. Thank you.